Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best pegboards in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pegboards that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Wall Control Galvanized Steel Pegboard Pack. The Wall Control Pegboard Pack checks all of the boxes for almost everyone who needs a heavy-duty tool organization system in their garage, home office, or beyond. It's made of rust-proof metal, which means it can last for years with general usage. It comes with 2 panels, so you can set up an entire system in a larger area or split it up into different areas of your home. One of the most appealing aspects of this set is how easy it is to add your accessories. It accepts standard-sized accessories, including pegs, shelves, and hooks, so the options are endless. Installation is fairly straightforward, and once it's installed, it's extremely sturdy and ready to provide years of use for your items, including heavy-duty tools. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ultrawall Garage Storage. Carrying the highest price tag on this list, the Ultrawall Garage Storage is the ultimate heavy-duty pegboard set. It comes in 4 24-inch x 14-inch pieces, adjustable in either 48-inch x 28-inch, 56-inch x 24-inch, or 96-inch x 14-inch configurations. The panels are made from powder-coated steel, slightly more robust than the 2 previous metal boards, and comes with complete mounting hardware and a total of 72 peg hook accessories. It's also available in elegant silver color, giving a premium feel to your garage. When installed properly on 24-inch wall studs, the Ultrawall pegboard set can hold up to 1,200 pounds. Not bad, right? That's heavier than most professional tool chests. With such an impressive load capacity weight, even heavy gardening and plumbing tools are a piece of cake for this one. Hell, you could even hang a bicycle on it if you want. In a word, if you need a high-quality pegboard to hang loads of heavy stuff, this is the one for you. At number 3, we have the Torack Pegboard Wall Organizer. Torack is famous for its tool, bike storage racks and garage organizers, and also makes excellent pegboard sets. This one is made of 3 28-inch x 16-inch metal panels that can be positioned in both 84-inch x 16-inch or 48-inch x 28-inch configurations. Also, the weight capacity is impressively high at 800 pounds, assuming they are correctly installed. Like the previous model, the metal boards are powder-coated to prevent rust and last for a long time. But, one of the Torack pegboard set's biggest advantages is the wide range of thrown-in hook accessories. In fact, together with the panels, there's a total of 109 accessories in this set, including a shelf assembly unit, some major tool holders, and an assortment of hooks and brackets. Not to be overlooked, mounting hardware is also included. While the set does come at a slightly higher price, you get what you're paying for. If you plan to hang loads of heavy tools and equipment, or just a ton of them, the Torack pegboard set is designed to handle that task perfectly. Just keep in mind that it's only offered in white, so it might get a little dirty over time. At number 2, we have the Wall Control Standard Workbench Pegboard Organizer. If you're looking for a heavy-duty pegboard, you want to go with metal, and the Wall Control 30WRK400 is one of the best-selling metal pegboards right now. For starters, the set comes in 3 32-inch x 16-inch pieces, which you can arrange as either 96-inch x 16-inch or 48-inch x 32-inch boards, the largest board area on this list when maximized. Each metal board is also powder-coated to prevent rusting and make them super easy to clean. Wall Control claims that the board is engineered to last a lifetime, hence it threw in a limited lifetime warranty with every purchase. While that's very kind and reassuring, It impresses us even more that it's the only pegboard set on this list to offer several color options to suit your specific garage. This pegboard also has one unique feature: Wall Control's patented bespoke slots for the included accessories. But don't worry, the 1/4 inch holes are still present here and will still fit regular hooks. However, the accessory kit includes shelf assemblies, screwdriver and hammer holders, plastic hanging bins, and additional hooks and brackets. The Wall Control 30WRK400 is the most affordable metal pegboard on this list and earns our editor's pick title. On the downside, it's worth mentioning that a few customers complained they received the board with some of the corners bent upon delivery. Although that's something to keep in mind, we still think this is the best pegboard for the money. And finally, at number 1, we have the WallPeg plastic pegboard panels. WallPeg's model is a highly durable plastic pegboard panel set consisting of 4 panels, each measuring 24-inch x 16-inch. As a result, the pegboard is ideal for both either 16-inch or 24-inch stud spacing. Added to that is the freedom of panel arrangement, resulting in various available mounting size formats: 48-inch x 32-inch, 64-inch x 24-inch, or 96-inch x 16-inch. You can also decide the number of panels you want to install and whether or not to place them together or separately, depending on your needs. Despite having a much larger surface area than the previous model, the panels themselves are still light, with all 4 of them only tipping the scale at 7.43 pounds. The plastic itself is tough poly, which is firmer and more scratch-resistant than usual. Though, we found its claimed weight capacity strangely low, totaling up to just 100 pounds for the whole set, meaning only 25 pounds per panel. Still, pegboards are not really meant to hold impact wrenches and drills, so 100 pounds should be more than enough. Together with the purchase, WallPeg is kind enough to include mounting hardware. Sadly, you still need to buy the screws separately, which is a bummer, but the manufacturer might be assuming that, if you've got tools to store, you probably have screws laying around, right? Moreover, the set doesn't include peg hooks, but that's actually a pro since it will allow you to buy hooks fitting the specific tools you have. At such an affordable price, there's no arguing that this board carries plenty of value, especially when it offers both solid build quality and great flexibility in one package.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.